Hi, welcome to eBuilding. In this video we'll show you the new functions of the DATABOX. In the 1.3.0 release of eBuilding, you can take advantage of a smarter data box than the previous one. When you associate a content to a tag, you can now edit a description with different dimension: small, normal, large, or huge. You can also use bold, italic, and underlined font. Or you can use different colors for your description. If you want, you can also associate a link to your description by clicking on the little chain on the right, or add one or more custom links that will be shown above your description. The new data box allows now to show multiple view of 360 images files. In the Document Manager, upload the 360 images you want to show in the data box. Set the typology to 360 image and save. Once you have done it, choose the tag in which you want to show the 360 images. Click on Create a Gallery in the data box, and select all the files you want to show. Now you can have a multiple view of 360 images all in the same data box among other typology of files. Get the most out of the new DataBox features and take eBuilding to the next level.